Today we are downtown Kelowna at the Laurel Packing House for Grace and Flo's signature event, Boss Up Kelowna. Boss Up is a full day for women that includes 3 movement classes from local instructors in the area, 2 inspirational speakers touching on women's health or taboo topics such as sex and love, as well as a panel of entrepreneurial women talking about their successes and their failures. At Boss Up, we also include nutritious lunches, delicious snacks, a cocktail hour to shop local vendors and socialize, as well as some pretty mega swag bags.
Yeah, we're so excited about this, you guys. Boss Up means to me being in charge of your life, and whether that's just holding space for you or being present for everybody in your everyday life, that's what it's all about. We have the opportunity to make our best selves and to live our dream lives right here, right now.